serious voter suppression.
Let's now listen in to what Sammy Ngotho had to say after being declared the winner of the Ol Kalou by-elections.
First, I wish to thank God for this moment, because without him, I wouldn't be standing here. My slogan was, Kafa, leader guy. I'm here because God has made it possible that I become the member of National Parliament against all odds. We'll see much when we get outside there, but second person that I want to thank, the woman that is standing next to me, my wife and my family. They have stood with me through thick and thin. When things didn't look good, they were always there for me. Family always come first. When things are tough, you always have solace, a place to run to. I wish to thank the party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. I have only one message to him. The rejected stone became the cornerstone. They may have impeached you, but today you have made a statement that the king of the mountain, that the party of choice, the man of the hour, the man of the moment, the man who will lead our country to the future in 2027 is none other than Rigathi Gachagua. I want to thank the people of Ol Kalou. This is a resounding win. 35,000, the faith that they have put in me, I cannot fathom trying to not to work for them.
Nyandarua Senator John Meth